it's me, Jelly. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are going to show you kung paano mag-hot oil sa bahay nang hindi mo na kailangan pumuntang salon. So basically, parang DIY hot oil sa bahay. Should be the title of this video. I don't know, whatever. You'll see there na lang. So, without further ado, let's get into the video! So, I'll show you guys first yung mga bagay na kailangan nyo para makapag-hot oil sa bahay. So, first things first is suklay. So, ito yung gagamitin nyo para syempre ayusin yung buhok nyo ganyan. I-partition. Kasi kung gulo-gulo naman, syempre diba ang hirap ayusin nun? Duh. Mean girl yarn. Next is spray bottle or water. Or kahit basain nyo muna yung buhok nyo bago kayo mag-hot oil. Next is shower cup. Shower cup kasi ito yung gagamitin nyo sa buhok nyo kapag nalagay na lahat ng hot oil. Next is brush. Ayan, parang ito yung pangkulay sa buhok kasi ito yung gagamitin nyo para i-apply sa bawat sections ng hair nyo yung hot oil. And next, the main product sa video na ito para ma-hot oil yung hair nyo ay ang Keratin Bremod. So, I just got this from Shopee. Nasa 100 plus to. I'll be linking it down in the description box below if you also want to purchase this. Ito kasi ni-recommend nung ni-rebond ako para maganda lagi yung hair. So, gagamitin nyo siya once a week to maintain the shininess of your hair. So, ayan. Ang gamit ko lang na variant ay yung milk variant. Kasi marami itong iba-iba. May aloe vera, Moroccan, etc. Basta ganun. So, ayun. So, papakita ko na rin sa inyo kung ano itsura neto. So, ayan. Para lang siyang conditioner. Ito kasi paubos na, guys. Nag-order na ulit ako kasi, yun nga, lagi ko siyang ginagamit once a week talaga. So, totoo to, hindi to sponsored kasi small YouTuber pa lang ako. So, ayan. Next ay itong Kapa. So, Kapa ba tawag dito? Ewan ko. Basta, ito yung lalagay nyo sa... I'll show you guys kung paano. Ilalagay nyo siyang ganyan para hindi madudumihan yung damit nyo. At mahiwalay yung sections ng hair. So, bali ganyan. Magnetic lang siya. Tapos, diba? Safe na yung damit mo. So, but I still recommend you guys to wear yung pambahay yung clothes or yung old clothes nyo na para kung magkaroon man ng stain or mapuntahan ng hot oil or anything, diba, safe siya. Or maglagay kayo ng plastic. But, if you have the budget naman and you want to order, meron sa Shopee nito. Mura lang to nabili ko, guys. Nasa around 50 pesos. So, huwag na kayong maghinayang. So, ayan siya. Diba? Parang nasa salon ka na din. So, next item ay, actually, ito na yung last item. Ito yung hair cup heater. Di ba parang nasa salon na talaga? So, bali, lalagay nyo lang siya sa hair nyo ganyan. Of course, nakalagay ito nito ang buong ito. Tapos, syempre, sasaksak nyo siya at i-switch on para dalawa yung buttons niya, guys. So, bali kapag ito yung highest, mag-red yan kapag nakasaksak to. Tapos, ito yung parang medium heat lang. Tapos, ito yung off. So, ayun siya. Di ba mukhang tanga? So, ayan. So, those are the things that you need para makapag-hot oil sa bahay. So, now, I'll show you guys the clips wherein my mama was putting hot oil in my hair. So now, my mom is just partitioning my hair. She will just clip the other parts para malagyan ng hot oil. So she's just putting it in different sections. As you can see, kita na yung roots ko. So maybe I need a color na rin. But maybe next month na para hindi masyadong ma-dry yung hair ko. And now, she is applying the hot oil using the brush and spreading it with her hands para mas maganda yung pagkakaspread ng hot oil at distributed properly. So again, she will just section my hair and apply the hot oil in the different parts para to make sure na bawat section ng hair ay may hot oil. So just repeat the same process all over again. Spray water, put the hot oil using the brush, and spread evenly. using your hands. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to give this video a like, comment down below if you have any video suggestions you want me to do next, and of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And before I totally end this video, I want to give a shout out to HANELZON Corpus and Hani Araos. Subscribe to their YouTube channel at HANELZON. I'll be linking it here and also in the description box. Go check their channel out. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!